let me pass the plate to my wonderful, talented, brilliant, gorgeous Holly.
Hi, Holly.
Esther, you know what? It's true. You're falling apart. Well, you know, when in doubt, it's always the hair pieces. No, I'll spare you that. Anyway, it's my turn. And I always live for that, you know. Love me or leave me, let me be lonely. You won't believe me, but I love you only. I'd rather be lonely than happy with somebody else. Hey, you might find the night time's the right time for kissing, but I find the night time is for reminiscing, regretting, forgetting this somebody else. There'll be no one unless that someone is you. I intend to be independently I want your love, but I don't want to borrow. I have it today and give back tomorrow for my